Alright, so digging through a bunch of the videos that I have on my phone and computer, and I realized I had a bunch of stuff from when I replaced my fuel pump. What happened was it died after using it for about 18 days. A little upset because, you know, I spent some money on a fuel pump and it died real quick. Went down to all-wheel drive tuning to go pick up a new one, and I was talking to the guys that work down there. They told me because I did an improper install, 2 O-rings on the top of it, not one. Seems really weird to put 2 O-rings on top of each other like that, but I listened, I did it, and it's been great ever since. It's been 3 months now on this fuel pump. I killed the first one in 3 weeks. I don't know why, but it works now. Here's a little video of me being frustrated and replacing it. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so I'm in the middle of swapping out the fuel pump. There's currently an AEM 320 liter an hour in here, but it died, so we're going to an AEM 340 liter per hour. So once you get this sucker out, obviously you got to unbolt it and disconnect the top clip and the fuel lines. I'm not going to show you that. Then there's these clips all the way around here. If you can't get this, if you can't get to this part, well, then I don't feel like I need to show you how to take that out. But there it is. Once you pull it out, there's my pump inside there. We're gonna have to tear that apart. But there you go. Don't forget to disconnect this harness for the fuel level sender, and then the actual harness right here, which goes to the pump itself. Oh shit. Alright, and we're back. So, this whole entire assembly is actually under spring tension. It'll focus. Nope. There it goes. Under spring tension. I'll show you here in a second. Watch this. I'll just put back my cardboard box. There we go. Focus. There it is. So it's under spring tension. You see a little black thing right there? You got to push this down, and at the same time you got to pull out a little C-clip. Easiest way to pull that C-clip out by yourself, hold it down with one hand, and just get a pair of focus vice grips on that little C-clip, and then just keep it nearby. That way you can easily pop it back on. So at that point, this guy is about ready to slide apart, but I can't do it with one hand. So, okay, so I forgot to mention before you pull it off, this little white connector, if I can focus here, no idea what it's for, but that and this other black connector, which I also have no idea what it's for. Pretty simple. You just unclip it and they slide off fairly easy. They go on the bottom where the sock is at, respectively. Of course, now I can't see it. There. So the one on the right, that's going to be for the white clip. And then over here, which you can kind of see, this one right here. So my phone, if it'll focus. So on the right, the white clip. On the left, the black clip. So at this point, I have it out. I also have the connector off the pump, and there's these 2 little bastards of clips that I can't focus on, but they're down there, I promise, on the body of the pump. You gotta fight, unclip those, and then the thing comes right on out. Alright, we're back once again. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm sensitive to caffeine, and I have coffee and Monster pumping through my veins. So there's a little window that you can't really focus on. Come on, phone. Anyway, there's a window here and here that will allow you to put a flathead or scribe, whatever you happen to be using. And then down there, there's these two little clips. Alright, and that's on either side of the body of the fuel pump. And once you fight it, right, it'll pop out. Right, and theoretically, there it goes. And it's out. Cool. So, looking up, there it is. I really wish this sucker would focus. So, there it is. There's one window, there's the other one. And there's the clips. You can kind of see it there. And on the other side, there's that clip. So those clips need to they'll go over the pump on there. There you go, for reference. So those clips go on either of those little triangles sticking out of the side. Cool? Alright, I'll be back. Alright, got my shit back in the car. Hopefully we'll hear the noise of profit. That sounded a lot better. I don't know if you heard on the video. Primed it once, twice. This will be the third time. Hopefully we get some noise out of it. Let that jet fly by. Oh yeah. I think we got her fixed.